If you are tempted to jump in and out of trades like it is a video game, stop and listen. Warren Buffett has a quote that might hurt your feelings, but it will save your bank account. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Most people think they lose money because the market is rigged. The harsh truth, you're losing money because your emotions are driving the car. You buy when everything is hyped and expensive due to FOMO. Then the chart turns red, panic sets in, and you sell at the bottom. Congratulations, you just made a charitable donation to a patient investor. If you want to stop being the donor and start being the receiver, you need a strategy that uses time to your advantage. That is why we love selling options. Instead of frantically guessing, we use time decay to get paid. We teach this exact strategy inside our Discord community. Stop gambling and start learning. Click the link in the bio or head to techhedgepivot.com to join us. So what is patience? It isn't just doing nothing. Patience is an active state. It means having a plan before you click buy. It means accepting that red days and red weeks will happen. The impatient person sees a red day as a crisis. The patient person knows it's just part of the process. Patience means letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. It feels boring, but that is why it works. The excitement you feel day trading volatile junk is usually the price you pay for losing money. Ask yourself right now, are you trading your long-term wealth for a short-term dopamine hit? Or are you ready to transfer money back to yourself by sticking to the plan? Next time you feel the urge to panic sell, zoom out. If this helped calm your nerves, hit like, subscribe, and share this with the friend who always sells at the bottom. And if you're ready to master selling options with us, join our Discord. The link is in the bio or at techhedgepivot.com. See you in the next one.